Hey planners, welcome back to my channel. This is your The Planner Guide, and today's video is a continuation of my 2019 bullet journal setup, and I will be doing the spreads for the month of January and the main cover page of my bullet journals. So without further ado, let's go with the voiceover. Since this year's bullet journal will be combined with a DIY planner touch, I decided to put this pocket on the first page of my notebook that will serve as a compartment for my quick notes, calling cards, or any other small papers. Probably my stickers that I can use for a certain month for my trackers, so I can put these things all in one place. And in the opposite page, I put this quotation saying, "There is a miracle in every new beginning." And of course, use my Jumbo Fudenowski brush pens. I don't know if I pronounced it right. And put a little painting on top of it. So this is just for beginners, so don't really judge my painting. I'm not really good at it. And there you go. For my key this year, I decided to make it simple, just simple codes that I can easily remember, and put some doodles at the bottom part of it. So I'm not really good at doodling. I'll probably practice more. And on top of it, I sticked with my theme, which is festivities and holidays. And for my monthly overview, I put the goal section on the left side of the calendar and did some faux calligraphy for the month of January, and of course fireworks. And at the very top of the page, I put this quotation: "Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success." And it's really nice to have something that motivates me every day. It's my first time to use my clear stamps, and I realized that I got a wrong ink and it bled through the pages, so a bit messy, but it turned out good. And for this month's YouTube video idea spread, I put washi tape on top and made this basic lettering and double coated with my Jumbo Fudenowski brush pen, then put the logo on the center so I can cover the stain from the clear stamp. And I also put washi tapes on the side and at the bottom part of the notebook, so it will serve as like a border. Each month I want to try different spreads,
And for the month of January, I want to try this one. This is my daily reflection spread, wherein I can write my daily ideas or my thoughts or anything really important event that happened all throughout the day. And lastly, my final spread is for my January tracker, and this is a very essential part of my bullet journal this month because January is a month of resolutions and changes, but I only put 6 habits that I want to work on, and I hope I can fill them out. And there you have it, guys. I have my 2019 bullet journal / DIY planner, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something from me. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to get notified once I have a new video upload, just click the bell button beside it and everybody will be happy. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.